How do you call elks? Bugle them? Elks!
Yes, they bugle.
Oh, how do you do an elk bugle? Some kind of screechy thing. Watch a big bull elk come crashing out all huffy and run toward over here and start trying to attack us because of the weird noises. Anyway, so this is an elk hunting blind.
Can I give the date before you do this? Because that's what I do like to do. Okay, it is March 31st. We are at something John River Road. Okay, hike. Yeah, that's where we're at. And we wish there was elk here. We've been told that there could be elk. There is not. So Dewey's going to try to call them in. And maybe take up a second line of work in elk calling. Should I produce an elk? Yes, yes, I think you should. Yeah, he's looking for the elk right now.
Here, Elkie, here, Elkie, here, Elkie.
See if any are coming in yet.
Here, Elkie.
My finger in the sky.
God, did you hear my echo? Or was that an elk answering me?
No, I think that might have been an elk answering you. That wasn't your echo. Do it again and see if you get an echo. I'm fairly sure you.
Holy I heard something right back.
Maybe there was some echo that time. I'm not sure.
I heard it kind of reverb, but I heard.
But the other one sounded more. Didn't sound like that.
Yeah. Huh.
All right. Well, so we'll turn this back on in a few minutes.
If we're attacked by elk.
Yes, if we're attacked by elk.
By an elk that I called upon myself.
Okay.
Check it out. Elk hair. Elk fur. We've got a group of elks. This is right over there. We're stalking them. I'll try to capture them on video. I'm trying to cut off their access. Heading them off at the pass. Okay, I see elks moving. See, that's an elk. You'll see. There they are. These are all elk. Up in here, you'll see them move around. They're running. See them? I counted 9 earlier. Oh, look, there's a whole big herd. We found a whole big herd back here.